Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel. This is Nursu, and today I have something truly special for you. Brace yourself for a thrilling expedition as we delve into 10 design tips that will revolutionize the way you approach your presentations. Whether you've graced a stage countless times or are taking your first steps as a presenter, these invaluable tips are your key to captivating your audience and crafting an unforgettable journey. So without any more delay, let's embark on this adventure and unlock all the secrets to presentation excellence. Tip number 1 is all about the effective use of icons. Icons play a significant role in enhancing presentation design by visually conveying information. When using icons effectively, they can improve audience engagement, aid comprehension, and add visual appeal. To maximize their impact, it is important to choose relevant and clear icons, maintain consistency in style and design, and keep them simple and scalable, which is child's play with tech tips, as you can see. Icons can also be used to create visual hierarchy, organize content, and serve as visual metaphors. By incorporating these principles, presenters can actually create visually compelling and memorable presentations that effectively communicate their ideas to the audience. Mix and match fonts. Instead of sticking to a single font family, I suggest you experiment with fonts that complement each other. Pair a bold, attention-grabbing font for headings with a clean and legible font for body text. This combination will add depth and personality to your slides and makes them visually appealing and easy to read. Tip number 3 is all about playing with negative space. Negative space, also known as white space, refers to the empty areas surrounding your content. Instead of filling every inch of your slide, leave some breathing room, just like this one. Negative space not only enhances visual clarity, but also creates a sense of elegance and sophistication. Less is more. So remember to give your content some room to shine and breathe. Harness the power of color psychology. Colors have a profound impact on our emotions and perceptions, and we have already covered this in our previous videos, but if you haven't seen them already, you should just definitely check them out. So what I wanted to say is to choose your color palette wisely to evoke the desired mood and enhance your message. For example, warm colors like red and orange can evoke passion and energy, while cool colors like this one, like blue and green, can convey calmness and trust. Use colors strategically to create subconscious connection with your audience. Do you happen to have a tablet or an iPad with a pen? Then this tip will bring some real fresh air onto your slides, so listen up. Adding a touch of authenticity and personality to your slides can be as simple as incorporating hand-drawn illustrations or annotations. These elements inject a sense of human touch and can make your presentation feel more relatable and unique. I personally do not have a pen at the moment, but if you do, basically just grab a pen and get creative. And here comes responsive design. In this digital age, it's crucial to consider how your presentation will appear on different devices and screen sizes. You should be able to create presentations that adapt seamlessly to various platforms, from laptops to smartphones and tablets, all of them. Optimize your slide layouts, font sizes, and images to ensure a consistent and enjoyable viewing experience for your audience, regardless of the device they're using. Here on Dectopus, you'll be able to do that in the click of a button. Let me show you how. You just click on Slide Settings, and we have this responsive mode over here at the top. I already have it open. Oh no, I didn't. So I just opened it now, so it's good. This way, you'll guarantee your slides are looking cool in any kind of device. Now let's talk about tip number 7, which is experimenting with unconventional slide formats. Step outside the boundaries of traditional slide layouts and explore unique formats such as mind maps, mood boards, or even timelines like this one. image list, icon list. I already showed you this probably 100 times, I know, but you can just choose anything you want, including logos, embed codes, line charts, and we have new ones coming up, so tune in. What I'm trying to say is that these unconventional formats can breathe new life into your presentations and inspire creative thinking. Dare to be different and let your imagination run wild. So if you're using Dectopus, how can you spice up your slide formats or the slide layouts or the look and feel of your slide? Easy peasy. See these dots over here? You just click on them and choose which one that appeals to you the most. Integrate an interactive get in touch form directly to your presentation, which is right over here. Allow your audience to easily submit inquiries, requests for demos, or even schedule meetings right from within the presentation itself. Isn't that amazing? I think it's groundbreaking. And this streamlined approach eliminates barriers and encourages immediate engagement, increasing the likelihood of conversion and building stronger connections. Now, here's a tip you might not have heard before: visual storytelling. I always talk about how telling a story is really important in presentations, but this one's different. I think we've all seen our fair share of cliche, bullet-pointed slides that put us to sleep. Instead, why not incorporate visuals that tell a story? Images, charts, infographics, and even videos engage your audience and help them better understand and retain your message. Remember, a picture is worth 1,000 words, so use visuals strategically to enhance your narrative and create a more captivating presentation. Let's get creative with number 10. Mixed media collage. Instead of relying solely on digital graphics and images, consider incorporating a variety of visual elements into your presentation. Combine photographs, illustrations, textures, and even physical objects to create visually appealing collages. You might say, I don't see any collages here right now, but let me show you. You just go to our slide layouts page once again, and here you have image grid. And thanks to this image grid feature, you can upload up to 4 pictures on your slide. And let me show you why. You just click on add new, and yes, that's the 4th one. And let's see what it says. Audience cannot follow crowded slides. That's why there's a limitation here. So as you can see, Dectopus is always your guide to create amazing and captivating presentations, because not too many visuals captivate the attention either. You just have to find a balance, because if you go too visual, that will just overwhelm your audience. So to sum it up, mixed media collages can add depth, texture, and a unique aesthetic to your slides, making them memorable and visually captivating for your audience. And there you have it. 10 original design tips that will take your presentations to a whole new level. I hope you find these tips insightful and feel inspired to unleash your creativity. Remember, presentation design is an art form, and with just a little experimentation here and there, I'm sure that you'll be able to create presentations that truly stand out. If you like this video and would like to see more on presentation and AI, please subscribe to our channel, like our video, and don't forget to share it with others. I'll see you next time.